5 Minutes of the Newsroom. I'm Kevin Murphy. I'm the journalist product manager with the Green Valley News and Sarita Sun Neighbor website. And tax season is almost upon us. And I'm here with IRS certified volunteer Mark Haskell. So
Thank you,
Mark,
Kevin.
thanks for being here. And so every year, a couple of organizations come out and help people in the area file their taxes. So how long have you been involved in this, and which organizations are helping out this year?
I started doing volunteer taxes in 1998 with AARP. I was with them for 21 years. Now I'm with a different organization which does exactly the same thing AARP does, only their focus is younger families that are eligible for the Earned Income Credit,
Okay.
where AARP's focus is more the 50 and older folks.
Okay, and what's the name of that other organization?
VITA, Volunteer Income Tax Assistance.
Okay. And I understand it's being done a little bit differently this year because of the pandemic. Can you
It
explain
continues
what's
to be
going
done
on?
differently.
Okay.
We haven't done it as we normally do it since March of 2020, when AARP shut down all of their sites, GVR shut down their facilities, every place that we worked out of was shut down, so we had to find another way to do it.
Okay, and just let us know what can tax aids not help with?
We don't do business taxes because Arizona is a community property state. We generally do not do married filing separately because there are issues that are a bit too complex. If things get too complex, people like day traders, people who are in the stock market, they're day traders, way too much stuff. We figure if they're smart enough to be day traders, they're smart enough to do their own tax returns as well.
Okay, right.
And the organization I'm with, VITA, they do have income limits, which would be whatever the highest income is for people that are eligible for the Earned Income Credit,
Okay.
where AARP doesn't have any income limits and they don't have any age limits. You don't have to be a member. And officially, all of this, we pretty much take on everybody we feel we can do.
That you can help. Okay. And I hear the East Center appointments are all booked up.
As of yesterday afternoon,
Okay.
we gave our last, a little over 300 appointments. We gave our last out. I think we were giving appointments for a total of 11 days
Okay.
before we got filled up, which is a record for us.
Okay. And so if people are having trouble getting in or getting appointments, what are their options?
If they've seen the article in the newspaper, there are 3 other sites around town. There's a site at the St. Francis Episcopal Church on La Cañada. They are not making appointments, but there are times that they've listed where people can drive up, drop their stuff off, and leave, and then they come back the next day when the tax return is done.
Okay.
They are starting on Friday, the 4th of February, and they're going to do Mondays as well. And they're going to continue doing that through the last day of the tax season, which this year is the 18th of April rather than the 15th.
Okay. So you're making it pretty convenient on everyone.
We're trying to. And I've had people come to my house. They're coming to my house to pick stuff up so they can fill it out instead of filling it out at the site. We bend over backwards as much as we can to help, including we've got some people that go to people's houses that are not mobile enough to come in. And they call me. I know about it. I pass it on to him, and he makes arrangements to go to the house.
Okay. And if people are still having questions, where can they go to get their questions answered?
I will answer anybody's question. There really is no place to go. It has to be done over the phone. Since
Okay.
we're not physically seeing clients, it's a little bit more difficult for them to get in touch with us.
Okay.
The AARP La Posada site is the other site in town that is taking appointments, and they're going to start doing that on Tuesday, the 18th of January. There's a phone number listed for them, and they also have a website where people can go on and set their own appointment up online. We'll see how that works in Green Valley.
Okay, right. A lot of people would rather deal with the phone.
I think they would, yes.
Okay. And if people are wanting to get a hold of you, how can they contact you?
Best way to call me is phone. Can I get my phone number on?
Give your phone number out.
520-300-6407.
Okay. Well, thank you, Mark, for coming out and sharing this information with the community. And we'll see you next time on 5 Minutes of the Newsroom.
Thank you, Kevin.